Today we're going to be taking a look at this panel cart that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box, do any kind of assembly it needs, and then check it out. These are all the pieces that were in the box. Actually looks pretty easy to put together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, and here the cart is all put together. It's got 4 nice size casters. I think they're 5 inches down there. And it does have 2 locking ones. They all do swivel 365 degrees. So they're all swivel casters, but 2 of them lock. And it's metal. These things are really sturdy. You know, I mean, they're not soft or wobbly or anything like that. It could hold a lot of wood or plywood or tables and chairs. I mean, anything that you would need a cart like this for, this thing looks like it's going to be able to handle it. I personally am going to be using it for wood in my shop. That way I can put my plywood in there, 2x4s, everything. Just like if you went to your hardware store and they have these big carts in there, pretty much the same thing. It does have this center cutout here, and that is because if you have anything that's rounded and you want to put it in there, it won't roll out of the cart. So let's say you have a big round table where you could set it down in there, and that gap right there, 1, it makes the cart lighter, but 2, will keep that, table or whatever it is that you have in there from just rolling out the side. It does come with this like bungee strap with these little hooks on it. These hooks fit, like you can see here, around this post, the pole on it. So they meant to go here, and then they would go all the way over your load, whatever you have in there. So that way it would just secure it, probably keep it from moving around in there. And just to try it out, I did put a couple fold-up tables in there, and I put the bungee around the tables. Of course, you have all kinds of spots down here where you can strap that to. The bungee is also really nice and stretchy, so it's a nice bungee. And the bungee is adjustable. So yeah, just laid them in here. You can lean them to the sides. And then here's the part where you can adjust the bungee. You just adjust the length. A nice, inexpensive way to have a cart to carry some pretty heavy materials. Or tables, chairs, whatever. It's a great little cart. I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.